Traveling has been my first love ever. I've been traveling across India with my family since I was a kid. I have traveled solo, with friends, family. Hello everyone, welcome to Wonderlands. I'm Eka. Thank you everyone for an amazing response on my previous video. That video was really close to my heart and thanks for listening to my words and sharing your opinion. So before proceeding for the video, it would be really great if you can subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So today I'll be sharing my 5 best travel experiences with you all. I know we all miss traveling a lot right now because of this whole pandemic situation going all over the world. But I think slowly and steadily, because countries are declaring themselves corona free, India will be soon corona free too. Let's just hope for the best. So the first one has to be definitely my experience in Andamans. I went for scuba diving to Havelock Island, and it has been the best experience of mine. Corals, the beautiful underwater life, the fishes were so amazing. I was experiencing all of it for the first time ever in my life, and this felt so real, so magical that I really didn't want to get out of the water. Next one has to be when I was in Japan for some work. Visited this place called Miyajima for one day in Japan, and it's a small island, but it's such a beautiful place. There were deers roaming around the streets were so colorful, and all the people were like so warm. Best experience of mine was in this resort in Miyajima. We stayed like literally in a traditional Japanese resort. We wore traditional clothes like yukata and also had onsen. For your information, onsen is the public hot water bath, and the experience was really good. Experiencing that Japanese lifestyle, wearing a Japanese dress and having Japanese food. Though I was a vegetarian over there, but still somehow I managed something or the other. So the next one has to be my trip to Triund and McLeodganj. This was my first ever girls trip, so I was like really excited, and the experience was amazing because I've had guy friends since starting of the college, and I never got the opportunity to visit any place with only girls. But I must say to all the girls out there, if you haven't, take your girlfriends with you and please do visit after this all thing. I remember we were drenched, we were soaked in water, like there were storms, rains when we were climbing up onto the top. But as soon as we reached on the top, the sunlight just came in and we were flat on the rock top. It was amazing. Watching sunsets over there, having bonfires, setting up camps at night and watching the moons and stars was just amazing, and I wish I can do it all again. I've already put up a video on the beauty and scenic views in McLeodganj and Triund. If you haven't, go check it out. So the next experience of mine would be definitely my solo tripping in the east coast of US. For 8 days, from New York to Boston to DC, Philadelphia, Niagara Falls, and then back to New York. I was there for another three days. The best part in those 8 days was getting a chance to visit Niagara Falls. The view was breathtaking. I was so stunned. The amount of water which was falling. I also took a boat ride जो हमें काफी पास तक ले जाती है to the falls. So the last experience of mine has to be my experience in Pondicherry. Pondicherry has been my one of the favorite place. I remember going there as a kid, but I recently went with my friends to Pondicherry. I remember as soon as we reached Pondicherry, we walked from the bus station to the hostel. The hostel was closed. We took an auto and we went to the rock beach. We were there for next 4 hours on the rock beach. They were breakfast कर रहे थे, sunrise देख रहे थे. And Pondicherry trip that every night we used to go for a walk on the roads of the rock beach. So that's it for today's video. Do let me know in the comment section below what was your best travel experience. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I'm on Instagram too, and this is my website wallandlens.com. Do give it a read. I know there are few blogs right now, but I'll be posting it slowly. Till next time, bye.